In search of a physique makeover, you must go beyond just weight loss. Pay attention to reshaping your physique beyond the commonplace objectives of weight loss. This is a more comprehensive strategy for improving one's health. On the contrary, it stresses the need of shedding excess fat while concurrently building muscle. A healthier, more well-rounded physique may be the result of this dual concentration. Fat loss and muscular building are the results. By doing so, you not only modify the way your body appears, but also how it performs. A smaller number on the scale isn't always the most satisfying outcome of this approach. Envision yourself with a physique that is stronger, faster, and lighter than before. What is the outcome? A slimmer, stronger, and more contoured body. You'll find that your clothing fit better, your posture improves, and you feel more secure in your own skin. This shift is not only about looks, it's about creating a physique that can support a more active and rewarding existence. Body recomposition is about enhancing your body composition. This involves concentrating on the ratio of fat to muscle in your body. By increasing muscle mass and lowering fat, you may develop a healthier and more efficient physique. This strategy is scientifically proved to be more successful for long-term health and fitness. It's not just about the number on the scale. While weight might be a helpful statistic, it doesn't give the entire picture. Muscle weighs more than fat, so while you add muscle and shed fat, your weight may not vary much. Instead, concentrate on how your body feels and looks and how your clothing fit. It's about how your body looks, feels, and performs. You'll notice that you have more energy, higher endurance, and more strength. These enhancements may enrich your everyday life, making tasks simpler and more pleasurable. Plus, the mental advantages of feeling strong and powerful are significant. This strategy provides various advantages. You'll raise your metabolism, build strength, and improve your general health. A bigger muscle mass means your body burns more calories at rest, which may aid with weight control. Additionally, strength exercise may enhance bone density and lower the chance of injury and improve your general health. Plus, you'll look beautiful. A toned and sculpted figure is typically a consequence of constant work and attention to body recomposition. The confidence that comes with completing your fitness objectives may favorably affect many aspects of your life. Ready to create your greatest physique? The road of body recomposition involves patience, persistence, and a well-rounded approach to workout and diet. But the benefits are definitely worth the effort. You'll not only look better, but also feel stronger and more energized. Let's go into the essential principles of body recomposition. We'll discuss the finest workouts, dietary techniques, and lifestyle modifications that may help you attain your objectives. Whether you're a novice or an experienced fitness fanatic, there's always something new to learn and methods to improve. Strength is non-negotiable for body recomposition. It's the cornerstone of every good fitness plan, whether you're seeking to shed weight, increase muscle, or just enhance your general health. Why? Because it helps you gain muscle. Muscle is not only for bodybuilders, it's vital for everyone. It supports your joints, improves your posture, and promotes your physical performance in regular tasks. Muscle is metabolically active tissue. This implies it burns more calories at rest. Even when you're not doing out, your muscles are working for you, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. This implies it burns more calories at rest than fat. So the more muscle you have, the greater your metabolism. But that's not all. Strength training also has various additional advantages that go beyond merely burning calories. So the more muscle you have, the higher your metabolism, but that's not all. Strength training also helps you retain muscle mass as you're shedding weight. This is significant since losing muscle might slow down your metabolism and make it tougher to keep the weight off in the long term. Strength training also helps you retain muscle mass when you're shedding weight. This is vital for creating that toned and defined appearance. When you reduce fat but preserve muscle, your body appears slimmer and more contoured. This is vital for creating that toned and defined appearance. Additionally, strength exercise helps enhance your bone density, minimizing the chance of osteoporosis as you age. It also boosts your balance and coordination, which may help reduce falls and accidents. Don't be frightened by weights. Everyone begins somewhere. And it's completely appropriate to begin with lesser weights or even just your own weight. The goal is to concentrate on perfect form and progressively increase the resistance. As you gain stronger, start with bodyweight exercises or lesser weights. Activities like push-ups, squats, and lunges are perfect for beginners. As you get more comfortable and confident, you may start introducing dumbbells, resistance bands, and other equipment into your regimen. Gradually increase the intensity as you gain stronger. Remember, improvement takes time, and consistency is crucial. Celebrate your minor accomplishments along the road, and don't be afraid to push yourself. With devotion and work, you'll notice tremendous increases in your strength, body, and general health. Cardio is your buddy when it comes to fat reduction. It helps you burn calories and enhance your cardiovascular health. But don't go overboard. Too much cardio might lead to muscle loss, which is the reverse of what we desire. The goal is to establish the correct balance. Aim for 2 to 3 bouts of low-intensity cardio each week. Think vigorous walking, swimming, or cycling. Remember, consistency is crucial. Make exercise a regular component of your program for maximum outcomes. You can't out-train a terrible diet. Nutrition is is vital for body recomposition. Focus on having a balanced diet, rich in protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats. For creating and repairing muscle tissue, aim for 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Complex carbs give your body with energy for exercises. Choose entire grains, fruits, and veggies. Healthy fats assist hormone synthesis and general wellness. Include sources like avocados, almonds, and olive oil. A great body recomposition exercise regimen mixes strength training and cardio. For strength training, emphasis on compound exercises. These train many muscle groups concurrently, boosting calorie burn and muscular gain. Examples include squats, deadlifts, push-ups, and rows. Incorporate both bodyweight movements and weightlifting. Aim for 3 to 4 strength training sessions each week. And don't forget about cardio. Add 2 to 3 sessions of moderate intensity cardio for best fat loss. In this part, we will lead you through a complete exercise regimen intended to target all main muscle groups and enhance overall fitness. Whether you're a novice or an experienced athlete, this regimen can be altered to match your requirements and help you accomplish your fitness objectives. Here's an example exercise plan to get you started. This regimen is meant to give a balanced approach to strength training, cardiovascular fitness, and flexibility. Make careful to warm up before starting and cool down after completing to avoid injuries and improve recovery. Bench press, 3 sets, 12 repetitions. The bench press is a vital exercise for improving upper body strength, especially targeting the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Ensure you maintain appropriate form by keeping your feet level on the ground, your back slightly arched, and your grasp strong but not too broad. Pull-ups, 3 sets to failure. Pull-ups are a fantastic complex activity that works the back, biceps, and forearms. If you're unable to complete a full pull-up, try utilizing an aided pull-up machine or resistance bands to help you increase strength gradually. Overhead press, 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. This workout is wonderful for increasing shoulder strength and stability. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, engage your core, and press the weight overhead while maintaining your elbows slightly bent at the top. Barbell rows, 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. Barbell rows are vital for creating a strong back and improved posture. Bend at the hips, maintain your back straight, and lift the barbell towards your lower chest, pressing your shoulder blades together at the top. Dumbbell bicep curls, 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Bicep curls are a traditional workout for isolating and developing the biceps. Keep your elbows close to your body. Curl the weights up while squeezing your biceps and drop them gently to enhance muscular activation. Dumbbell tricep extensions, 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. This exercise targets the triceps, the muscles on the rear of your upper arms. Hold a dumbbell with both hands, stretch your arms above, and drop the weight behind your head while maintaining your elbows near to your ears. 30 to 45 minutes of vigorous walking or riding. Cardiovascular exercise is vital for heart health and general endurance. Choose an activity you like, whether it's walking, cycling, or even running, and maintain a tempo that maintains your heart rate raised but comfortable squats, 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. Squats are a powerful exercise for improving lower body strength, targeting the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and core. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, lower your body by bending your knees and hips, and maintain your chest high and back straight deadlifts. 1 set of 5 repetitions, 1 set of 3 reps, 1 set of 1 rep. Deadlifts are a complete body workout that mainly targets the posterior chain, including the lower back, glutes, and hamstrings. Focus on keeping a neutral spine, activating your core, and lifting with your legs rather than your back. Lunges, 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions each leg. Lunges are good for increasing balance, coordination, and unilateral leg strength. Step forward with one leg, drop your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle, then push back up to the starting position. Calf lifts, 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. Calf raises help develop the muscles in your lower legs, which are crucial for sports like sprinting and leaping. Stand with your feet hip width apart, raise onto your toes, and drop your heels back down gently. 30 to 45 minutes of swimming or HIIT. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, and swimming are both great for cardiovascular fitness and fat burning. HIIT offers brief bursts of intensive activity followed by recovery intervals, whereas swimming delivers a low-impact, complete body workout. Remember to vary the weight and intensity depending on your fitness level. It's vital to listen to your body and proceed at a speed that feels comfortable for you. Consistency is crucial, so continue with your regimen, remain inspired, and you'll notice changes over time. Don't forget to drink, consume a balanced meal, and get enough of rest to support your fitness journey. Body recomposition is a process, not a sprint. Listen to your body and alter your training and eating plan as required. Don't be scared to take rest days. They are vital for muscle repair and development. Pay attention to how your clothing fit and how you feel. These are better indications of development than the scale. Staying motivated is crucial to attaining your body recomposition objectives. Find a workout companion or join a fitness group for support and accountability. Set reasonable objectives and appreciate your victories along the way. Remember why you began and imagine your intended goals. Body recomposition is a tough yet rewarding endeavor. It demands effort, consistency, and a holistic approach by mixing strength, training, cardio, and good nutrition. You may alter your body and acquire the slim, muscular physique you've always sought. Embrace the challenge, remain motivated, and enjoy the fantastic results that await you.
Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.